Welcome to Psi 150 DH01 General Psychology. This is our Moodle course that we're looking at here. My name is Dr. Gilmore, by the way. This is a hybrid course. I don't know if that was explained to you. So it's kind of half online, half in person. So we will be meeting in person, and we'll go over all of this again. But just so you're aware, we do meet in Spruce 208 on Monday and Wednesday at 1 to 2:15. Okay, so you do need to go to class. So I want to make that very clear. So we will meet. We'll go over all this stuff in person as well. So real quick, we're looking at the general information page for our class. My name is Dr. Gilmore, like I said, my email address, my phone number, my student hours, aka office hours, Monday to Thursday, 11 to noon. Real quick, the syllabus. Again, we'll look at it in class, in person. Take a look at the syllabus. If you have questions, let me know. Then you want to take this enrollment verification quiz. If you're new to Wayne Community College, you may not know what this is. This is the way that we kind of record that you have, quote unquote, entered the class, at least the online portion. When you come to class, you'll be kind of present for that, and you'll have entered the class for the in-person part of the class. So, come to class. You also do this enrollment verification quiz. Can't talk too quickly. And then, yeah, you see here just a number of PowerPoints that we use in class to go through the chapters. And then below there's textbook information. And I'll talk more about this when we meet. But our textbook is an ebook, accessed through this link here. I'll show you how to do that. You may have some questions with that, and we can talk about that then. Once you do the enrollment verification quiz, you will have access to Chapter 1, the Intro Chapter 1 module. Now, it says here that these assignments are due on May 26th. However, the discussion forum, it's a really easy intro, get to know your classmates thing, is due May 24th. Okay? Also, these two assignments, the forum and the quiz, are both due before the enrollment verification quiz. So what does that mean? If you don't do that quiz, then you're not going to be able to do these assignments before they're due. So make sure you do the enrollment verification quiz, and that way you can jump on these first couple of assignments and kind of get off on the right foot. I'll talk more about assignments and how the class works, but basically for every chapter you can expect a quiz. It's a timed quiz. And then roughly every other chapter will have a written assignment in addition to the quiz. So I like to space those out a bit, but we'll talk more about that when we meet in person. And, the class will go week to week. Some weeks we may cover one chapter, other weeks we may cover two chapters. It depends on the chapter, the content, and we'll just sort of go from there. Okay. But yes, so this is a very short video. We're going to meet in person. We're going to talk about all of this. I'll get to know all of you as we go through the summer. Oh, I just realized there's an error here. I got to fix that. I'll fix that before you watch the video. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And if you have any questions, email me or wait until we meet in person. Okay. All right. I will see you very soon. All right. Bye.